There's a lot of money in affiliate marketing, guys. There's a lot of opportunity. You just have to grab it. I'm going to show you step by step what do you have. I'm going to show you the best niche. So you just have to follow and of course hit that subscribe and let's go get them money. This is the website that I want you to visit. This one is called moreniche.com and it's an amazing website. It is tailored for fitness niche. Just take a look at this, guys. A lot of good products and you can even find them on Facebook. You can see that they have some nice reviews. I suggest signing up for this. You can get a lot of useful information here. All of this is tailored for you to make money. I make a lot of money with this. And to be honest, it's not that hard because this is a niche which is really popular. If you go on Google Trends, and this is going to explore your keywords, if you just type in weight loss, you will find that this is an amazing search keyword. You can see this is in the United States, but you can easily change that to worldwide. Just click on worldwide and you will see that it is a constant search. Okay, this is a good keyword, and when there's a good keyword, there's good money in it, trust me. So we have established that it's a nice niche, and More Niche is tailored for that. So you can't get better than this. It's easy money, guys, trust me, easy money, and it's gonna work all around the world. You don't have to worry about your location. Anyone can get the money with this. So what do you want to do? Firstly, you want to go on moreniche.com, click on join moreniche.com, and then just make sure that this one is selected. Affiliate, first name, last name, you know how to do it. Let's not waste time. Click on join now. So when you make yourself an account, this is going to be your dashboard. This is like your back office, and you of course have some like video trainings here, and there's a lot of useful information on the website on how to generate traffic, how to plan your content, how to just choose the best product. But I'm just going to go with this short, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do. So for example, you can see this Testogen. This is a good product and it's for males. And you can actually see top 5 brands. This is Testogen, and there's Prime Shred, Viasil, Trim Tone, and Male Extra. Okay, and you can see that for each click you have an average EPC. So for each click you get $1.74. Now this is an average amount. That means that this is like a click-through rate. So not everyone is going to buy the product after they click on it. So this is an average amount. So $1.74 is a good, because for example, if you get like, I don't know, maybe 20 clicks today, 1.74 bucks times 20 clicks today, guys, that's going to be $34 for you. Now that is a great deal of money, guys. If you do this for 30 days in a month, guys, that can easily be $1,000. And those $1,000, you don't work for them. You just click with your mouse here and there. So if I click on Testogen, you can see how much you get per commission. So you get 40% per sale, and you can see all of the information that is here. So brand details. This is a good detail because you can use all of this in order to promote that product. Okay, so for example, it has high appeal within bodybuilding and fitness community. It has high conversions, and these are all the stats that help you to sell that. Okay, and on the left hand side here, you have amateur photos, you have banners, you have all the help in order for you to sell that product. Okay, so you have a lot of useful information. Just take a look at this, like for example, these amateur photos. You can just use all of them. You can use it and you can just include that in your sales program. Okay, so you can take all of these photos, they're royalty free, and anyone can use them. All right, but of course that's not the only product. You can just choose whichever one you want. So you can see a list of the products down here. You can involve yourself into any one of these. For example, this Brutal Force is what I use, and of course you can see brand details about this one. You can use all of it. You can use amateur photos. There's brand promotional guide as well, and this is a good one. If you click on it, you will get this PDF file, which is going to give you a lot of useful information. You wouldn't otherwise get this on any other affiliate marketing website. Just take a look at this. You can just do research and you can just include all of this in your sales. Okay, so there's good money, guys, and this is really popular. We have seen that a lot of people are searching for it, and what you can do next is that you can go over to google.com as well, and you can find certain weight loss articles to help you get like some general information. So for example, this help guide, how to lose weight and keep it off. This is a generic article which can really help us. Okay, so you can just go and you can copy all of this when you just promote this product to the people. Okay, so you can just use it do some research about fitness. It is gonna be worthwhile, okay? This is the time that is gonna pay to you. So now that we have the product and we have chosen what we want to promote, we can now go and search for the people who are in the need of it, okay? So for example, you can just go over to facebook.com and you can search for weight loss, and you can just type that in, weight loss, and go over to these groups. And there are a lot of these groups, and for example, there are a lot of these bodybuilding and weight loss groups. Just take a look at the number of people inside of these groups. It's amazing, guys. It's an amazing traffic on facebook.com. And what you can do is you can just go inside of it and you can promote that product via posts, comments, and that pictures that you have got. Okay, so you've got a lot of those amateur photos. These nice people on More Niche got all of it for you. So you can just click on it and you can just choose to take whichever one of these you want. Okay, so this is Brutal Force, and a lot of these brutal guys inside of these groups are going to take that because they're going to increase their physique, their strength, and all of that, and in the end they want to lose the weight just like this person did. Okay, so it's a nice strategy, guys. There's a lot of traffic on Facebook for it, and you can just join into all of these groups and you will get a lot of traffic for your links. Now the next thing that you can do is you can just go over to google.com and just take a look at this. You can just type in weight loss forums and just take a look at this, top 30 weight loss forums, discussions, and all of that. And here it is, the gold mine. All right, there are a lot of people in these forums and they all gather there for a reason, right? They want to lose weight, they want to get their body straight, they want to get that muscle, okay? And all that you have to do is to engage with them. Just be friendly with them. You can combine those photos, you can combine these PDF files that you've got, and you can combine these articles, this useful information that is already online. You can even make some short videos, okay? You can go to canva.com and you can just create a video out of these templates that Canva got, okay? So you can just search for fitness and you will get a lot of these, okay? So for example, I don't know, whichever one of these you want, you just put them in here and you will see that this video consists like some After Effects things or Premiere, and you can just change the text, you can put your links, and then you can post that on Facebook. You can as well use YouTube for your traffic, Instagram Reels, TikTok, whichever one of these methods work for you. You just have to sit down and do extensive research, and affiliate marketing is going to be good to you, okay? But there needs to be work input, so in the end you can be profitable, okay? So just go out there, start digging, and I'm sure that the money is going to come if you love it, okay? Go take the action, and I'll catch you.